So on top of the control system, you want to make your home smart, you need to have an accessory. So here is some of the typical accessory to make your home smart together with this app. So let's start with the infrared. So these are the magic cube or any infrared devices. So this can able to control all the infrared devices. For example, your aircon, your TV. So you are able to control with this. So you can see from the app. Now we talk about this smoke detector. So if the smoke is being detected, so it will trigger the alarm. Can you hear the alarm from your app, but also all the pets that you have in your house. With the humidity sensor, you can know that what's your humidity level at your house. At the same time, also the temperature degree. So you can see from the apps, basically you can have the real time to know that what is your humidity sensor. This is the sensor. So with the motion sensor, once this is the where is the sensor. So if sensor detected by any human being pass by, it will trigger any events. The event could be all the lights on or the TV on. Next is the IP camera. So of course you can see all the things from the app. This is the motion detectable IP camera. With the door sensor, if the door's being open, it will trigger you through the apps or our pet. So this is extremely important to protect your families when you are away from